Welcome to our channel. If you've ever faced an issue with your Uber Eats order and need a refund, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple, hassle-free steps to get your refund. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. First, open the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're using a desktop, you can visit the Uber Eats website and log in there. Step 2. Access your order history. After launching the app, navigate to your order history. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Your Orders to view a list of your recent orders. Step 3. Choose the order. Scroll through your orders and find the one for which you want a refund. Tap on the order to open its details. Step 4. Report an issue. Once you're on the order details page, look for the option that says Help or Get Help. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Select the relevant issue. In the Help section, you will see a list of common issues. Choose the one that best describes your situation, such as missing item or food quality issue. Depending on the issue, you may also find the option to request a refund directly. Step 6. Provide necessary details. After selecting the relevant issue, you might be prompted to provide additional details or photos. Fill in the required information to support your refund request clearly. Step 7. Submit your request. Once you've completed all necessary fields, review your information and submit your request. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any delays in processing. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. After submitting, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for a confirmation from Uber Eats. They typically respond within a few hours to a couple of days with information about your refund status. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide to getting your Uber Eats refund hassle-free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.